Sometimes one needs to update a document in Microsoft Word. It can be a report, an assignment, or any other document. This video will show you how to use Find and Replace, helping you to quickly update your document. Your document might have some highlighted areas like this one, that is bold and underlined, and like that one. It might be a longer document than this one. Or you might be having some other word or letters that would want to change in your document. Instead of going line by line to make these changes, there is an easier way. Let me show you. Go to the Home tab, look for the editing options. Click the editing item, a pop-up menu will appear and you can see, Find, and Replace. Pressing Ctrl+H on your keyboard will also bring, Find and Replace, screen up. It looks like this. Click on More. You have option on the left as well as the right side. At the bottom you have Format with more formatting option. We will look at how to use these later. You also have Special with even more stuff to choose from. These options allow you to do more than just finding and replacing a word. I have copied the word stand, and will paste it. Stand is the word that we are looking for. We want to replace it with sit, the opposite of stand. OK. We then click on Find Next. It looked for one stand occurrence and it replaced it. We need to find all those stand occurrences in the document. And so we click Replace All, it will replace everything. I had 5 and it's replaced all. Let's see if we had replaced them. This was stand, now it's sit. And sit. I want you to take note of this. If you remember, this was standard and now it has changed it to something else. This is one of the things you have to look out for when you use the Find and Replace, because it's going to replace all the words' appearances. But there is a way around it. Let us undo. You can see now it's all gone back. Standard. Go back again to replace. If you look on the more options that we have here, on the left or right side of this screen, you can also just look for a specific word and just match that one, as in our case. In our case, we are looking for stand only. I will tick Find Whole Words Only and I will then click Replace All. Only looking for the word stand and replaced it. Let's verify. See, now our standard is not replaced as it was before. So if you have to change only that one word, you can do that. But you just need to be careful of what will be changed, so that words that have a sum of the word that you want to change are not affected. Let's do the same thing with can and candidate. Let's say we are looking for can. Let's say we want to replace it with must. Remember, there's also candidate. So you have to tick Find the whole word, Find Next, and we replace all. Now you can see that candidate was not affected. The same thing you can do with assess and assessment, but I will not do that now. I think you have an idea of what we're talking about. Let us look at formatting options. Your document might have areas that are bold and underlined, or maybe italic or highlighted fonts. Let us use Find and Replace again. Let us find fonts that are bold and underlined, like we did here. Now, let us change them to the opposite. Not bold and not underlined. Now, let us change them to the opposite of bold and underlined. This means we are changing the fonts to not bold and not underlined. Just like we planned. And then, from here we should see good results. Let's review the final product. We should not see any bolded or underlined areas in the document. What do you think? The last challenge. Let us find italic fonts and we want to replace them with fonts that are, let's say, regular. Let's see. I am sure you can easily do that one on your own. Try it. So in this video, we looked at how one can quickly and easily update documents, using Find and Replace options in Microsoft Word. Visit ASOKA Services website for more educational videos like this one.